Anyway, final retake, so I'm on the Jurassic Breezer 30 with Birch in front of me. So ETA to Weymouth King Statue, 11:20 AM. So this morning I'm on 11:06 HW58 ARX, one of the Scania N270UD OMNICities in its Jurassic Breezer livery. This stop is Malcolm Avenue. Stop. Green Hill Gardens. This stop is Green Hill Gardens. Stop. Lennox Street. Ooh. Well, we're kind of being held up by traffic at the moment. Now on sunny days, if you're travelling to Weymouth, may be a bit delayed due to traffic. Oh, on the X51 to Bridport, it is SN65ZDE on the X1 to Bridport.